Hello, my name is Madam Jennifer from Educare TZ. Welcome, my lovely Form 3 students in a Form 4 students, in a proceeding lecture series in biology, and we are currently proceeding with our topic on the classification of the living things. And we have already covered our first phylum of our topic of the classification of the living things. We have already covered on the phylum Platyminths, where we have seen the different classes which were there: the Tubellaria, Monogenea, the Trematode, as well as Cestoidea. We have seen their distinguishing features, the adaptive features, also the economic importance in general. So now I would like to welcome you in the second phylum, which is the phylum Nematoda. So also within this phylum, we are going to discuss in detail by seeing what are those nematoda distinctive features, general features, the adaptive features, also the economic importance. So the phylum Nematoda consists of the roundworms, which are among the most numerous multicellular animals on the earth. So the phylum Nematoda consists of those roundworms. Roundworms are among the most numerous multicellular animals on the earth. Multicellular, these are the organisms which are made up of more than one cell. So the annelids are one of the organisms with nematodes. These are one of the organisms which are very widely dispersed, and they are very more abundant on the earth. So they inhabit a wide range of habitats, including the soily, marine, and freshwater. The member within this phylum, they tend to inhabit a wide range of habitats. They tend to found in different habitats. Example, they are found in the soily, they are found in the marine. So they tend to occupy the terrestrial and aquatic environment. Where they are found in the soil, also in aquatic, there are some which are found in the marine environment, water, and others in freshwater. Many nematodes are parasites causing diseases to both plant and animal. Most of also nematodes, these are the parasites, meaning that they tend to feed on other organisms. Also, they tend to cause diseases to this particular host cell. Example of nematodes include the free-living Rhabditid species, the animal parasites such as Ascaris, lumbricoids, and plant parasites such as eelworm. These are the example of the nematode. Kwa mfano kuna huyu hapa Ascaris lumbricoid ambaye anapelekea ascariasis sana sana kwa human being, anapendelea ni endoparasite for human being, anaoccupy the intestinal area, na vile vile for wengine ni plant parasites, kwa mfano kama this eelworm, which are likely to affect the growth of the plants. So what are the general features of the nematode? The nematode exhibit the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. These organisms, they tend to depend on other organisms as the source of food. Some of them are scavenger. So scavenger, these are the organisms which tend to feed on dead organic or decomposed plant and the animals matters. Vile vile wengine wanakuwa na feed katika soil na wengine katika aquatic sediments, lakini wengine wanakuwa ni endoparasite in a wide range of mammals and plants. The endoparasite, these are the organism parasites which are found within the body of the host cell. They tend to invade or infect the body of the host cell. Vile vile, they have a round, cylindrical, elongated, and unsegmented bodies which are tapering at both ends. This organism, their body are rounded in shape as cylindrical, also elongated, lakini they does not have segment. They are segmented, meaning that their body are not made up of segments. Also, this organism, they are triploblastic. The triploblastic, these are the organisms which are made up of 3 layers, where the inner layer is called the endoderms, the inner layer is endoderm, the middle one is mesoderm, and the outer one is ectoderm. So the mesoderm, which are the one which tend to line the body cavity, and those organisms in which the body cavity are lined partially by this mesodermal layer called the coelomate. So these members also, they are coelomate because their body cavity, which is coelom, are partially lined with the mesodermal layer. So they are pseudocoelomate in nature. This means that they have body cavity that is only partially lined with the mesoderm. Also, they have no circulatory system, and therefore transport is by simple diffusion through a thin moist cuticle or through fluid-filled body cavity. This organism, they does not have the circulatory system. So the transport of the material is by simple diffusion. The simple diffusion, this means that is a movement of the material from the region of high concentration to the region of low concentration down the concentration gradient. This method of simple does not need a carrier to transport of material. So they use this simple diffusion through this thin moist cuticle or through the fluid-filled body cavity. So meaning this organism also are made up of hydrostatic skeleton. Also, many species of nematodes are parasites of both animals and plants, but there are also free living species found in marine and freshwater sediment and in soil. Kwa many species of nematode wenyewe ni parasite. Wenyewe ni parasite meaning that wana feed on those plant and animal tissue na kuweza kupelekea harms or diseases. Na hivyo wanakuwa ni parasite, lakini wengine wanakuwa ni free living meaning that they live independently without depending on those host cell. Vile vile they are bilaterally symmetrical. The bilaterally symmetrical meaning that their body parts once are divided or cutted off longitudinally, they give off the two equal halves which are equal. So these are the bilaterally symmetrical, the bilaterally symmetrical body. Vile vile they are dioecious. Dioecious ni tofauti na tuviona kwa kina these members of the phylum Platyhemisi. Kwa mfano kina tapeworm wenyewe wanakuwa ni hermaphrodite, meaning that wanakuwa na both sex within the same organism. Lakini this organism they are dioecious, meaning that kuna male na kuna female worm. Kwa meaning that wanakuwa na separate sex on different organism, ambapo one sex wanakuwa na different form and size. Kwa mfano the male one mara nyingi waga ni mdogo kuliko the female. So they are dioecious with separate sexes and male being smaller than the female. Also the gaseous exchange take place by simple division through the cuticles or through the fluid-filled body cavity. So the gaseous exchange are taking place by simple division through their moisty cuticle through the fluid-filled body cavity. Vile vile the digestive system is complete with both mouth and anal opening. Kwa vile vile this organism sio kama wale tuliona kina phylum Platyhemisi, so they are somewhat advanced. You have to note that as you move from one phylum to another kuna advancement. So these members wenyewe sio kama tuliona kule kwa kina liver flank ambao wenyewe wana single opening. Kwa wao wenyewe wanakuwa na complete digestive system, meaning that wanakuwa na anus for ingestion, for taking of food, na wanakuwa na mouth kwa ajili ya ingestion na anus kwa ajili ya egestion. Vile vile nematode have thin external cuticle made up of collagen fiber. Hii hapa ni kwa ajili ya protection and maintenance of their shape. Also distinctive features of the nematode. They have cylindrical, elongated and a segmented body with tapering head. This organism wanakuwa na this cylindrical, elongated na unsegmented body ambazo zenyewe zinakuwa na tapering end. Vile vile they have special sensory structures known as amphid pamoja na phasmid. So this organism wenyewe wanakuwa na this special sensory structure ambayo ya kwanza inaitwa amphid pamoja na phasmid. These are one of the special sensory structure which are found with this particular organism. Lakini kwa kina Platyhemisi kwa mfano Plankton tunaona kwamba wenyewe hawana sensory organs since they are endoparasites. So these are the free living, somehow wanakuwa na this sensory structure kwa ajili ya their living. And this is the structure of the Ascaris lumbricoides ambapo hapa kuna male pamoja na female. Tumeangalia their body are made up of body fluid filled na their tapering. Kwa maana angalia kuna mouth pamoja na kwenye anus imekuwa kama imechongoka. One this cylindrical unsegmented, they are round, cylindrical and segmented body which are pointed at both end. Katika mouth pamoja na katika anus wanakuwa na pointed end. And this organism they tend to have the complete digestive system made up of mouth pamoja na anus, and mouth used for ingestion, taking of food, na anus kwa ajili ya egestion of unwanted material. Also tumeangalia in structure, tumeangalia this organism wanakuwa wana differ in shape, ambapo male one anakuwa ni mdogo, ni small in size kuliko female. Kwa hapa katika cloacal aperture is this one of the copulatory organ for the male. Also there are these peniospicles kwa ajili ya protections. Also kuna this lateral line for this organism. Also this is the excretory pore kwa ajili ya elimination of kwa ajili ya excretion. Tunaweza kusema kwamba they perform the gaseous exchange through their moist cuticles or feed body cavity. That was all about the phylum Nematoda. Now let us look on the importance or economic importance of the phylum Nematoda by starting with the advantages of the nematoda. First of all, nematodes have been used in various biological studies. For example, some discovery in the field of genetics involve the use of nematoda. Kwa nematodes wenyewe wanatumika katika various biological studies. Kwa mfano, baadhi wametumika katika field of genetics. Some discovery wanatumika katika field of some of nematodes are used in the field of genetics katika discovery of different genotype and phenotype of a particular organism. Vile vile, some nematodes are used as the biological control agent for control of pests such as mosquito and locusts. Because some of the nematodes wanatumika kama katika biological control. Biological control wanakuwa wanatumia this organism without harming the owner, just reduce the number of population bila ya kuweza kuharm or harming au kuweza kuharibu mazingira. You just use the organism, you introduce the native species which can compete or can kill this organism. So, example, this nematode they tend to eat mosquitoes, ambao mosquito ni carrier Plasmodium. Plasmodium ni most of consecutive agent your disease of malaria for human being, ambao ni very very dangerous diseases. Vile vile locust anakuwa anapelekea uharibifu wa mazao. So this nematode inasaidia sana katika biological control. Vile vile, some nematodes are important in the recycling of nutrients, hence contributing to soil fertility. Tumesema kwamba nematodes, these are the heterotroph, while some of them are scavenger, meaning that they tend to feed on these dead organic plant and animal remains to form the manure or to form the humus, which increases the soil aeration pamoja na soil fertility. Na even once the farmer cultivated the crops there, he or she can end up getting the better yield due to the good soil fertility. Now let us discuss the disadvantages of nematoda. Example, kuna Ascaris lambricoides, which are the representative member of the phylum Nematoda. So, many nematodes are parasites that cause diseases in plant and animal. Kwa many of nematodes ni parasite ambao wanasababisha magonjwa kwa plants pamoja na kwa animal. Na kingine, example, kuna Wencharia brandcofti. Huyu Wencharia brandcofti anapelekea ule ugonjwa wa unakuta mtu mguu mmoja umekuwa mkubwa sana, mwingine umekuwa mdogo, yani elephantiasis tunauita. So inapelekea due to the excessive accumulation of the water in the lymphatic vessels, ambazo zinakuwa hazina mechanism ya kuwa released. So this Wencharia brandcofti wanapelekea blockage of this lymphatic vessels, ambazo zinasaidia katika removal of the excess water. So they have been blocked, inakuwa ni vigumu for the release of this excess water. Hivyo napelekea swelling of the limbs, swelling of the legs, of the hand and other scrotal areas. So this is one of the disadvantage of this phylum Nematoda. Example, huyu hapa ni Wencharia brandcofti. Unakuta mtu kabisa mguu wake huo umevimba, unakuta mguu mkubwa kabisa. Sana sana ni watu ambao wanaishi maeneo ya marine environment where they are found. Na bahati mbaya ni kwamba mpaka sasa dawa ya ugonjwa au bakteria haijajulikana. So it's one of the very disadvantages and very dangerous worms. Vile vile, this Wencharia brandcofti, which is a parasitic roundworm that causes disease known as elephantiasis. This disease affects the human lymphatic system by blocking it. This results into accumulation of the lymph in the legs, hence mammary gland or scrotal sacs. Vile vile, Melodygine cognita is another roundworm that causes the root knot gall in a plant as it drains during the photosynthetic product. Kwa kuna mwingine huyo hapa anakuita Melodygine ignoita, ambayo kwa inasababisha not root katika mimea, na hivyo inapelekea mmea kuweza kudrain during the photosynthesis process, kwa inapelekea mmea kutoweza kukua au inapelekea drying out of the plant. Vile vile, this in turn affects the plant growth, vile vile reducing the yield. Vile vile, Ascaris lumbricoides is the human and pig endoparasite that causes ascariasis. In human and pigs, this may lead to destruction of the gut and may also cause anemia. These Ascaris lumbricus. My lovely Form 4 students, these diseases are caused by the eating or ingesting contaminated food. Once you eat unakunywa maji ambayo hajabi treated, unakula vyakula havijaoshwa vizuri, unafika tu unakula vyombo vichafu, unakula tu. So once you consume those contaminated food which has been either infected with the feces or fecal matter from infected person, so unakuwa katika high risk of being infected with this Ascariasis, ambaye the host site yake ni katika intestine, anakuwa anatumia this Hook's cell katika attachment, hapo anaenda kusuck up the blood milk. Inapelekea excessive bleeding, inaweza kapelekea anemia, na sio anemia tu, hata kifo. So that was all about the phylum Nematoda. I hope that now you understand well on the lesson. Now I would like to give you simple task. You have to take a look through it so that you can improve up your understanding. My question to you, my lovely Form 4 students, are just a few. You have to take a look on it so that you can widen up your understanding. My first question is, why nematodes are described as pseudocellular? Second one, explain the distinctive features of the nematode. And the last question, describe the structure of Ascaris lumbricoides. So my lovely Form 3 students, thank you for your careful listening. I would like to welcome you in coming session where we are going to discuss on the phylum Annelist. Also, I hope now you get a lot of the concept, a lot of understanding concerning pertaining this topic, where you are going to tackle different practical questions in your practicals as one of your assessment form in your Form 4 examination. Keep on watching Educare Media. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice moment.